Here in Kansas City, taking an existing paint shop and converting it, having it reborn into a new paint shop was quite a challenge. I'm Dennis Hadelin. I'm a paint launch supervisor here at Kansas City Assembly Plant for the all-new Transit. So the first thing when it comes to paint is it'll come up and it'll go into our E-coat phosphate system where we do our pre-treatment. But then we go into what we call a bath. We come back around and we go through the electro dip system, what we call E-coat. The E-coat system is our corrosion protection package. Since we go through a dip, it gets into all the nooks and crannies and gives us the corrosion protection that our customers expect. The pendulum conveyor is a new system for us here at Ford.
The advantage of it is because the vehicle is not actually captured on a conveyor like you would in a traditional chain hanging overhead monorail system, the unit is allowed to pivot on those pins, thereby taking a much steeper angle down into the tanks. Because of this angle, it allows us to have a much smaller footprint for the building, therefore reducing overall building cost.
One of the other innovative aspects of the Kansas City paint shop is it's actually smaller than the paint shop that we have for the Fiesta. The way that we're able to accomplish that is through modular painting.
In a modular booth, you're able to just pull the vehicle in, stop it, the robots paint the vehicle, and then the unit exits. Therefore, your spray booth is much shorter, much smaller.
And now with the Transit program, we're able to incorporate a new technology that we call Monocoat. The advantage of Monocoat is it allows us to apply the coating in a two-step process where we put on a prime and then we have incorporated the color and the gloss all in one layer. One of the traditional concerns with Monocoat was that it had a tendency to fade. But this new technology where we incorporate the color aspect into a clear coat really protects our customers against that degradation. We're putting less coating on the vehicle, so we do see some weight savings from that, about 4 pounds per vehicle, and also reduced VOC emissions. Right now, we're going to target this for commercial vehicles, so it's going to be on Transit here, and it's also being applied to the Transit in China.
After paint, the unit goes to final, where it gets built up, and here's our beautiful paint job being driven off the chassis line.